Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your guest house business. Having a guest house business, you got many queries from your users regarding the booking room, types and rates of the room, as well as the location of your guest house. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your guest house business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of guest house. Hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I sent a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Sunrise Stay Guest House, your peaceful retreat surrounded by comfort and care. How can we assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is room types and rates, book a room and get location. If I'll click on room types and rate, then you can see it will provide me all the room types that are available in this guest room, including their price and one button, that is book a room. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am providing them my full name. Here I provide it. Then you can see the bot will respond to me by my name, that is Mehrooz Khan. Also mentioning that please enter your check-in date. So here I am providing them one check-in date. Here I provide it. After that you can see it will ask me for the checkout date. So here I am providing them checkout date. Here I provided. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that what type of room would you like to book, while providing me 4 types of room that are available in this guest house. So here I am providing them one room type. Here I provided. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that booking confirmed. Thank you Mehrooz Khan, while providing me the room type that I have given them here. Also mentioning the check-in as well as checkout date. Also providing me one message, that is you will receive your payment link and location details shortly. Now if I'll click on get location, then you can see it will provide me the location of the Sunrise guest house. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your guest house business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see a total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our guest house business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your user that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of guest house. After that, I want to write one welcome message for them. For that, I am taking one text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message as. Here I write it, while at the end of this message you can see I'll write that how can we assist you today. So for answering this, I am providing some quick buttons for my users. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box. Here I am providing them three buttons, that is room types and rates, book a room and get location. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I write it here. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now whenever my users wants to view the room types and the rate that are available in my guest house, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can note all the details about the room types and their rates that are available in my guest house. Here I write it in this message also. I am providing them one button, that is book a room. Here I provide it. After that, the next one is the book a room. If my users wants to book a room in my guest house, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this action option, take button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question as please provide your full name, because at first I want to know the name of my users. See, here I write it, that is may I have your full name. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your users, then you can write in this box. After that, I'm connecting this circle which are present in front of book a room to this message. Here it is connected. Now, whenever my users will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them about the check-in date, check-out date, and at last the room type. For that, I'm again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here, and writing a question as thank you with dollar symbol full name. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my users by their name. As different users have different names, so for sending their manual name, we will use this symbol. After that, you can see I also write here that please enter your check-in date. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as check-in date. The format I'll select as date. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and you can write any message in this box. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Now, after this step, my bot will ask them about the checkout date. For that, I'm again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here, and writing a message as got it. Now please enter your checkout date. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as checkout date. The format I'll select as date. Number of attempt will be 1. You can also increase this if you want to. And I'm not writing any message, so I'm leaving this blank. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays the major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. The steps would be the same. After that, at last, my bot will ask them about the room type that they want to book in my guest house. For that, I'm again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here, and writing a question as providing them 4 types of room that are available in my guest house. You can see I'll write this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my users in the bold format. For that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as room type. The format I'll select as any. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now, whenever my users will provide me all of these details, then at last my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol in room type, check-in date as well as checkout date. Also for name. It is used for manual data. Now the last one is the get location. If my users wants the location of my guest house, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the location. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your guest house business. I'm also connecting this circle which are present in front of book a room to this message because the process of booking a room in my guest house would be same. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your users like this. It will provide them all the necessary information you want to share with them, such as room types of your guest house as well as their rate, and also book a room and provide them booking confirmed message. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.